Hey coffee lovers, tired of the same old cup every morning? Well, today we're exploring 5 awesome ways to brew coffee right at home. Whether you're a beginner or a home barista in making, there's a method here for you. Let's get brewing. Number 1, drip coffee maker. First up, the classic drip coffee maker. Just scoop in some medium ground coffee, add water and hit start. It's convenient, consistent and makes enough for the whole household. Pro tip: use a paper filter for a cleaner taste or a reusable metal one for more oils and a bolder flavor. Number 2, French press. Next we have the French press. Simple, bold and a little bit luxurious. Coarsely ground coffee, hot water and a 4-minute wait is all it takes. Push down the plunger and you've got a rich, full-bodied cup. Perfect for slow mornings or a weekend treat. Number 3, pour over. Coming in hot or rather slowly is the pour over method. It gives you total control over water flow and brew time. Use a gooseneck kettle for precision and medium fine grounds. It takes a little bit more attention, but the result is clean, aromatic and incredibly nuanced. Number 4, AeroPress. Fourth on the list is the AeroPress, part science experiment, part magic trick. Coffee grounds, hot water, a quick stir and then press. You can brew a strong shot like espresso or dilute it like an Americano. It's fast, portable and easy to clean, making it ideal for travel or office coffee breaks. Number 5, cold brew. And finally, for hot days or patient people, we have cold brew. Mix coarsely ground coffee with cold water, steep for 12 to 24 hours in the fridge and strain. What you get is smooth, low-acid coffee concentrate. Serve over ice or mix with milk for a creamy, cold caffeine fix. So there you have it, 5 ways to brew coffee at home. Each one has its own flavor profile and vibe, so why not try a new one each week? Your perfect cup might be just a brew method away. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more foodie content.